If you avoid mirrors because you don't like your smile, but still dream of perfect teeth, then it's time to consider full mouth rehabilitation. Imagine waking up with a smile that feels as good as it looks. That's not just a dream, it's a reality with full mouth rehabilitation by Dr. Batra. This isn't just about aesthetics, it's about restoring function and health to every tooth in your mouth. Whether it's decay, erosion, or injuries, Dr. Batra's expertise covers it all. Using straightforward terms, full mouth rehabilitation involves various treatments like crowns, bridges, implants, and even veneers. Each plan is tailored to bring back not just the beauty, but the strength of your smile. Think of it as a renovation project, but for your mouth. Worried about the process? Don't be. Dr. Batra ensures every step is clear and comfortable. Imagine no more hiding your smile in photos or during laughter. This is your path to a confident, radiant smile. Ready to take the first step? Let's make your dream smile a reality.